What's up, guys? Today we're in the Macro Magic testing room. Today we're testing our NF3700 product, and we'll walk you through the detailed installation steps. First, you can see our NF3700 North Finder. Here's the cable. Next, ensure the installation environment is between 20 and plus 160 degrees. Keep the mounting platform stable and handle with care. Our engineer, Yao, will now perform the product installation. The device uses an RS-422 aviation jack, a power supply of 9 to 36V, 24V recommended, and a power draw of less than 15W. The communication protocol is 5-wire RS-422 with a baud rate of 115,200 and a refresh rate of 100 Hz. After secure installation, connect the device to the host computer and power supply. Enter the latitude, longitude, and altitude in the software and send the command. After about 5 minutes, the system will output data such as heading, pitch, and roll angles. Note that the device must remain stationary during the north finding process and should be stored for a long period. Power it on for at least 1 hour annually. That's the NF3700 installation instructions. For more cable transmitter information, please visit our official website at momsmac.com